Hello friends, so today's our topic is simple electric circuit, right? So in this simple electric circuit, here we have one simple circuit. Is for example, we have one bulb, right this. Then this bulb is connect with one cell. This is positive, this is negative. Then we have one switch to connect these circuits, open or close. Whenever this key is closed, then from this circuit current will be flow, right? Okay, now I am drawing here one more circuit diagram. So in this circuit diagram, one cell is there, right? Cell. With this cell we connect here one ammeter, then one switch is there, key, and further we have one rheostat, right? Then further this rheostat is just connect with further with one bulb here. So here we have one bulb, and with that bulb parallelly we connect voltmeter. So always you have to remember this, voltmeter should be connect parallel with this bulb, with this load. Okay, so this is rheostat, this is key, this is ammeter, this is cell, right? So positive negative means this is negative, this is positive. Similar, if this is positive, then this should be is positive, this is negative, right? So this is the connection. Okay, now working condition for this electrical circuit, this cell must be connect with this series ammeter, key and rheostat. So always with this cell we have to connect ammeter, key and rheostat to complete this circuit, right? And then load is connect with this all with this series. That load should be connect with voltmeter always parallelly. Why? Because with this voltmeter we are finding potential difference across this load, or we can say electric bulb, right? Okay, so now whenever we close this key, current flowing starts here. Whenever current is flowing through this circuit, ammeter just deflects according to the current which is flowing through this circuit, and voltmeter also deflect according to potential difference between these 2 points, right? So similar here, whenever key is closed, current is flowing through this circuit and bulb glow, right? So that's the simple electrical circuit. In simple electrical circuit we use battery or cell, ammeter to measure current, right? Ammeter we use for to measure current, then key to connect to on off this circuit. Simple. Rheostat, okay, by rheostat we can change the current as well as voltage. So by left hand side, if we just move rheostat left hand side, then current will be decreasing. Rheostat resistance will be decreasing, that's how current will be increasing. And if we move right hand side, then resistance will be increasing, that's how current will be decreasing, voltage so decreases, right? So yes, voltage deflects, voltage is also changing with the changing of rheostat. So that's our simple electrical circuit. Thank you very much.